Have you ever packed your carry-on, breezed through airport security, and thought, I've got this all figured out? Well, 2025 might prove you wrong. The TSA has rolled out a brand new set of rules that could trip up even the most seasoned travelers. From stricter electronics checks to surprising bans on everyday items, these changes are reshaping how we fly. In this video, we're breaking down the new TSA carry-on rules for 2025, what's changed, what's newly banned, what could slow you down at the checkpoint, and how to stay one step ahead. If you travel often or have a trip planned this year, hit subscribe and tap the bell, because this is info you don't want to miss. Why the rules changed. TSA doesn't update policies without reason. These changes reflect shifting security threats, evolving passenger habits, and the rise of AI-powered screening technology. With more travelers avoiding checked bags and new products hitting the market, like advanced electronics and health-related liquids, the agency had to adapt to keep flights both safe and efficient. Electronics, stricter than ever. One of the biggest shifts is with electronics. In the past, you just pulled out your laptop. Now any device larger than a phone, tablets, e-readers, gaming consoles, even big power banks must go in their own bin. Power banks over 10,000 mAh are especially scrutinized. AI scanners are sharp but sensitive. A cluttered tech pouch or dense battery pack could trigger a secondary scan or even a manual inspection. Some travelers may also face random residue swabs, especially on international routes. Liquids. The 311 rule gets smarter. The old rule, 3.4-ounce containers in a single quart-sized bag, still applies, but with new twists. Medical liquids like insulin or saline now require a prescription or doctor's note. Verbal confirmation isn't enough. Liquid vitamins and sprays have moved to the prohibited list unless documented. AI scanners now analyze liquids by chemical makeup. That means even if your container is the right size, you could still get flagged if the contents raise concerns. Snacks. Yes and no food rules catch many travelers off guard. Solid snacks like sandwiches, crackers, or sealed bars are fine. But spreadable or soft foods, peanut butter, yogurt, hummus, cream cheese, count as liquids if they're over 3.4 ounces. Powders like protein mix or instant coffee must be declared if over 12 ounces and placed in a separate bin. Whole fruits and packaged foods are okay, but remember, customs rules at your destination might be stricter. Personal items. New attention. Some everyday items are now more restricted. Lighters, limited to one per person, carried on you, not in your bag. Torch lighters remain banned. Vapes, only 2 allowed per passenger and only in carry-ons. Lithium batteries, removable ones must have watt-hour labels or TSA may confiscate them. Small tools, scissors, tweezers, and nail kits under 4 inches are fine, but may face extra checks. Tip: keep toiletries and grooming items in a clear pouch for faster screening. AI-powered screening smart lanes with AI are being introduced at major airports. These systems identify potential threats automatically, reducing manual bag checks, but also leaving less room for packing errors. Some checkpoints now use facial recognition to match you to your boarding pass. You can opt out, but that means longer lines and extra ID checks. Cosmetics and skincare sometimes get flagged due to alcohol content, packaging, or metal parts, so don't be surprised if your nail polish or face mist gets pulled aside. Newly banned in 2025. Some surprising items made it onto the prohibited list this year. Scented candles in tins, magnetic therapy products, self-heating meals like MREs and instant soup cups, weapon-shaped souvenirs, even fake or miniature ones, smart luggage with non-removable batteries, carry-on size, a gray zone. Technically, TSA doesn't enforce size. That's the airline's job. But in 2025, TSA is working more closely with carriers. Some airports now check bag size before security, and oversized carry-ons may be redirected to the airline counter. Smaller airports are especially strict due to limited space. Pro tip: use a luggage scale and check your airline's dimensions before heading out. TSA PreCheck and AMP global entry updates. There's good news for frequent flyers. PreCheck lanes are expanding, and in some locations you can keep laptops and liquids inside your bag. Shoes, belts, and light jackets can stay on. Global entry kiosks now use facial recognition, making re-entry faster, with some forms completed via app before you even land. But remember, random full screenings still happen, even in PreCheck. Common misconceptions in AMP, hidden rules. A few final reminders. Reusable water bottles must be empty. Filters don't make an exception. Duty-free liquids must be sealed in tamper-evident bags with receipts. Baby formula and breast milk are exempt from liquid limits but must be declared. CBD products under 0.3% THC are TSA approved, but state laws differ, so check both departure and arrival rules. And don't forget, the My TSA app is your best friend. You can check almost any item before you pack it. Air travel in 2025 looks very different. With AI scanning, stricter rules, and more airline TSA cooperation, staying informed is the key to stress-free travel. Pack smart, double-check policies, and you'll save yourself from delays, or worse, losing items at the checkpoint. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up.